Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Accounting. Today we can discuss about payroll. Payroll is a wider topic and we want to study that in detail. So I'm going to give a detailed training for this payroll, just like a series of classes. So class number 1 starting today. We are basing a company in UAE. Okay, so let's create a company. Okay, payroll UAE company. You can select the country also here, then Emirates, Dubai. Now all other details we can fill it if required. Now financial year is January 1st 2026. In UAE financial year is January to December every year. Now here what we required is we want to active the payroll. How? Now here payroll is already active, so what we required is maintain payroll should be put yes. Now go ahead. Now we can shut this testing company. Now what we required is, I will show you. Go to payroll masters. Here you can see so many items in payroll masters: employee group, employee, unit, works, attendance, production, bar type, pay heads, then define salary. Like so many heads are here, so one by one we can create and we will study one by one. Now we are going to create the employee group. Employee group we can say just like administration, sales, finance, purchase, marketing, like that. Otherwise we can also create in the location wise also. Okay, now here we are creating just like department wise. Okay, define salary, that is we will define later. I will show you. We are putting everything under the primary head. Okay, we can create around 6 departments. Stores, now see how it is created here: admin, finance, marketing, procurement, sales and stores, like that it will come. Okay, now next step is we want to create the employees name details. Okay, for that one I already created one Excel sheet, so I will show you that one also. Based on that one we will create the employees one by one. Okay, go to the employees creation. Okay, now you can see that Excel sheet, the salary details of 6 employees here. Okay, here serial number, date of joining, date of retirement, name, designation, department, basic salary, basic pay, HR, telephone allowance, conveyance, staff welfare, salary advance, traffic fine, and total pay. This is the salary list. Based on this salary list we have to create the employees names, other details and everything one by one or step by step. Okay, so here you can see basic pay. Based on the basic pay we are giving some allowance, HRA, telephone allowance, conveyance, staff welfare, everything we are giving some percentage of the basic pay. Everything based on the percentage of basic pay. So whenever we are creating in Tally, that also you can see how it will be work out. Okay. Staff welfare 2.5 percentage, like everything on based on the basic pay. Salary advance, whatever the advance given, that will be shown here. Traffic fine also, like that, if anything coming it will show here, that will be deduction from the salary. Okay, now let us create one by one. Okay, these are the name list: Paolo, Martin, Khalid, Sashi, Muhammad, Raghu. Okay, now create first one. We can create Paolo. Okay, here under primary we can also create under, for example, administration or finance, stores, purchase, sales, like that. But here we are, for understanding purpose, we are putting only primary, to avoid confusions. Employee name we can put 1005. Designation GM. Function we can put general or overall. He will be also the admin in charge. Location DXP. Then mail. Date of birth. We are putting all employees' date of birth starting January, like that. 1/1/2019/75. Blood group, it's also imaginary blood group. Okay, let's put 1975. Blood group is also imaginary. Father's name, mother's spouse name, address, every post name, also imaginary. Okay, address we can put DXP. Now bank details is not giving now. Also Emirates ID and Emirates ID expiry date we can put here. So whenever we are going through masters, we will get the full details. But for the time being, we are not putting that details here. Okay, next one is Martin. If you are putting the Emirates ID number and Emirates ID expiry date, that will show in the employee masters what date it will be expiring, like that. But for the time being, to avoid more timing, we are not putting the Emirates ID number and details. Okay. Now go ahead, finance department. Not record department. Only finance will be okay. DXP, mail, date of birth, 1980 will be okay. Blood group is an imaginary one. Father's name and his post name is also an imaginary name. Okay. Here other details like phone number, email ID, bank details, and statutory details like Emirates. In UAE, Emirates ID is important. So Emirates ID number and Emirates ID expiry date we can put here if required. Okay. That defined salary we can define later. What is called designation? Sales. Yeah. Sales manager, sales. One 1985. 85. Blood group positive. Negative. Suppose control A. Now Shashi. 2011. That employee number means there will be an employee code, employee number for every employee whenever joining. So that number is also important because same name, more more than one person is available, we will check the employee number. Then only we can identify the persons. Next one is Muhammad. 1/1/2012. He's in stores manager. Function inventory management. No, inventory management. Location Dubai. Date of birth 1/1/1919. Raghu. Marketing. Marketing all over UAE. He's working. That's why location we put to UAE. Now this is the way we are creating the employees list. You can see the list. Okay. Go to employee. You can see here employee list. If you like the video, kindly subscribe, share, comment, and also click the bell button for getting the new updates.